Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tile floor cleaner machines that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Oreck Orbiter hard floor cleaner machine. This product stands out for its versatility and commercial-grade performance, making it ideal for professionals or households with diverse cleaning needs. Its random orbital drive ensures smooth operation without leaving brush marks or gouges, which is a major plus for delicate surfaces like hardwood. It doesn't just clean, it sands, polishes, scrubs, and even deep cleans carpets, making it a true multi-purpose machine. With a 50-foot cord, it's perfect for tackling larger areas without the hassle of frequent replugging. The design of the Orbiter is utilitarian, with a focus on performance over aesthetics. Its wide cleaning path covers more ground, but some users may find its bulkier size harder to maneuver in tight spaces. The build quality is solid, reflecting its commercial-grade design. But the lack of accessories like reusable mop pads or cleaning solutions is a bit of a downside. The brush head's random orbital motion is fantastic for preventing streaks and ensuring even cleaning. But it's not as intuitive to use compared to other machines on this list. While the Oreck Orbiter is undeniably powerful and versatile, it might not be the best choice for casual users or those looking for a more streamlined experience. Its lack of listed price and relatively heavier weight compared to competitors may deter some buyers. However, if you're looking for a cleaner that can handle everything from tile to carpets to oil stains, this machine offers exceptional value. Pros include its multifunctionality and strong performance, while cons include its bulky design and potential learning curve for new users. At number 4, we have the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe Hard Floor Cleaner Machine. This product is a lightweight and easy-to-use cleaner, perfect for tackling everyday messes on hardwood, vinyl, tile, and more. Its standout feature is the dual-mode functionality. The wash mode activates spin scrub brushes to provide a deep clean, while the dry mode suction removes excess water to reduce drying time. This two-in-one approach makes it especially useful for households with kids or pets where spills and messes are frequent. The FloorMate Deluxe boasts a dual-tank system that keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring hygienic cleaning every time. Build-wise, it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. However, the silver design is fairly basic and doesn't offer the premium aesthetic you might expect. The included trial-size cleaning solution is a nice touch, allowing users to test its cleaning efficiency without additional purchases. Performance-wise, this machine does a great job scrubbing away dirt and grime, but it may struggle with extremely sticky or dried-on messes. Its noise level of 80 dB is slightly louder than some competitors, which might be a concern for sensitive ears. Overall, the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe is a fantastic mid-range option for those who need a reliable machine for routine cleaning. Pros include its dual-mode functionality and hygienic dual-tank system, while cons include its noise level and occasional difficulty with stubborn stains. At number 3, we have the Bissell SpinWave Smart Steam Scrubbing Steam Mop. This is a sleek and modern steam mop that's perfect for users who want advanced cleaning technology. Its intelligent LED display provides real-time information on steam levels, cleaning modes, floor types, and even when the water tank needs refilling. The rotating mop pads ensure a thorough scrubbing action, making it great for sticky messes and high-traffic areas. And with Bissell's commitment to saving pets, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation. The SpinWave Smart Steam is lightweight at just 7 pounds, making it easy to maneuver, while its swivel head allows you to reach under furniture and baseboards effortlessly. The design incorporates LED headlights, which illuminate the floor for better visibility during cleaning. It's user-friendly, with fingertip controls that let you choose between steam levels or even switch to no steam mode for delicate surfaces. However, its smaller water tank may require frequent refills during extended cleaning sessions. This steam mop excels at sanitizing hard floors, but it's limited to sealed surfaces and doesn't handle carpets or rugs. While it's not the most versatile option on this list, It's perfect for those focused on hygienic cleaning. Pros include its lightweight design, intelligent features, and pet-saving initiative, while cons include its smaller tank size and limited surface compatibility. At number 2, we have the Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Corded Spin Mop Cleaner. This is an excellent budget option for those looking for effortless cleaning power without breaking the bank. Its spinning mop pads do the scrubbing for you, saving time and energy compared to traditional mops. The on-demand spray feature lets you precisely target stains, making it ideal for tackling sticky messes or spills on hardwood, tile, and linoleum. Design-wise, the SpinWave is lightweight and features swivel steering, making it easy to maneuver around tight spaces and furniture. The inclusion of 6 reusable mop pads and 3 trial-size cleaning solutions adds value to the package, allowing you to test its efficiency without additional purchases. However, the corded design might limit mobility slightly compared to cordless competitors. In terms of performance, the SpinWave delivers solid results on sealed hard floors. However, it's not suitable for carpets or rugs, so its versatility is somewhat limited. For its price point, this machine is hard to beat, offering great cleaning power and ease of use. Pros include its budget-friendly price, reusable mop pads, and efficient stain removal, while cons include its corded design and limited surface compatibility. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the BISSELL CrossWave Turbo Vacuum Mop. This premium all-in-one machine combines vacuuming and mopping to deliver unparalleled cleaning efficiency. It's effective on multiple surfaces, including tile, sealed wood floors, laminate, linoleum, and even area rugs, making it the most versatile option on this list. The 2-tank technology ensures clean water and formula are kept separate from dirty water, resulting in a more hygienic clean. The CrossWave Turbo is well designed, with a sleek green finish and thoughtful features like an antimicrobial treated fresh start filter to combat odors. Its powerful suction and scrubbing capabilities make quick work of dirt and debris, while the included rinse and clean-out tray simplify maintenance. At 15 pounds, it's slightly heavier than most competitors, but its ergonomic design helps offset the weight. Performance-wise, this machine is a game-changer for households with mixed flooring and area rugs. The ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously saves time and effort, making it ideal for busy families or pet owners. While it's the most expensive option on this list, its versatility and premium features justify the price. Pros include its multi-surface compatibility, dual-tank technology, and powerful cleaning performance, while cons include its higher weight and price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.